In this video, I'll show you how to build funnels for B2B sales in ClickFunnels so you can attract, nurture, and close high-value clients. Step 1. Start with a lead magnet funnel. Offer something valuable like white paper, industry report, or case study to capture emails from decision makers. Step 2. Add a nurturing sequence. Use ClickFunnels automation tools to send a series of emails that educate, build trust, and highlight your expertise in solving their problems. Step 3. Showcase your services with a value page. Create a landing page that outlines your B2B solution, includes testimonial, and demonstrates ROI critical for business buyers. Step 4. Add a call booking funnel. Instead of selling instantly, guide prospects to schedule a strategy or demo call. Use an integrated calendar so they can book directly inside the funnel. Step 5. Follow up with proposals and upsells. After the call, automate sending a tailored proposal and consider offering tiered service packages to increase deal sizes. And that's how you build B2B sales funnels with ClickFunnels, capturing leads, nurturing them with automation, and closing deals with structured offers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.